when you write the things there to like an address like here. If you were using into a command prompt, and I'll explain that a little, hopefully by next week, it would be something like this. On both of these, you would put your enter key in to let it go out, if you typed it in the right locations. But the idea is, those are things, that's that slash. Bring it down a little further, let's take a look at the other slash. Good, thank you. That's a backward slash, which is known as a pass slash. This is in relation, if you have to write certain things in. But the idea is to know it. Where you see a typical example, and this is only in XP, not in Vista. It would be, you can write this one if you want. See, my documents and settings, user, my documents, my music. Write it out. The reason why I'm telling you this is it's a good sample. Has the icon over here. You got to remove that. You got to disable that in order to try to remove Norton's or McAfee. And you really need also, there is a special program out by the companies that will make sure it comes out of the registry. Okay, go.
Yeah, mine came with AOL too. Can I remove it the same way?
If you're not going to use it.
No, I don't want it. No, they would charge me to take it out, but I...
No, you don't need a charge. All you want to do is just get it off your desktop into one folder. Now, if she goes, Jerry goes over here. Tell me about how many stuff is in there. Few. Any few. One, two, tell you what, 1, 2, 3. It doesn't matter. Just open them up. So down the bottom. Okay, you got. Give me. No, okay. Yeah. I got 3 items open. Let's say 1, 2, 3 as examples. For some reason, the machine locks up on me. I can't get anywhere. Okay, the first thing you do is come over here with your mouse. Do this one, Jerry. You right-click on it, it brings up a dialog box. The dialog box says close. You see that? Okay, that's one way of closing it. You try that first. And hit escape for a second, Jerry. Now I want you to do the 3-finger salute. Control, Alternate, Delete.
Okay, there we go.
Okay. Here we go, folks. This is the task manager. Okay, you see it's not responding. Just exit right now. Okay, it just blew it out. Okay. You see how it shows you what's running? You have a choice of what to knock out. You can highlight, as example, go up to presentation. That's the lower one. You go down to end task, click on it, and you hope that it shuts itself down. Okay? If it shuts it down, you just go and exit out if you want whatever's running, and you're back. Sometimes they do freeze. If you're working with Word documents or something like that, and you're writing, rule of thumb, every 10 minutes save. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you something quickly, and then we'll take the questions and answers because my 45 minutes are up. Understand that if you're doing pictures or you're writing something of text, suggestion would be is somewhere off to the side, you're going to name the documents, let's say test 1, test 2, test 3, or letter 1, 2, 3, and then at the end put a final name in. So if something crashes in between, you may get back until you're done. Do you understand how I said that?
No.
So give it some name even if it's not the original.
No, what you want to do is if you're writing a Word document, let's say a manuscript. I'm going to use a manuscript more than a letter. I'm going to say if you're doing pictures, what you want to do is, instead of giving us the full name right away, call it manuscript picture. and just say 010203. And you'll land up this way by saving it. If this is not the right one, it crashes, you still can go back. And if you do it over a period of 10-minute cycles, you got a fighting chance. What most people don't realize is with computers, they will go down for the quirkiest reason. The best one of all, excuse me for saying it, when Florida has its storms, pull out the telephone plug, pull out the cable plug, and shut down your computer so you don't get a jolt. First of all, you may think you live in a safe area, but the wires are underneath, and electricity can go underneath and travel into your house. And your surge protector could go off. Okay.
Should you shut off the surge protector too?
Sure. Just remember that it's going to jump, but the thing that you really want out is the telephone and the cable, because they're not protected, basically. Okay, we'll start opening it up to questions. Anybody got questions that they want to ask at this time? Because by 45 minutes, it's basically up.
Make sure that when you go to programs, that you don't take something that's used in the computer.
Okay, in reference to what you're talking about, sir, is if you look over here, go Jerry, start all programs, you leave this stuff in, and the only way you remove it, no, let me see, try clicking over here for a second, I just want to see something before I say it. No, it's not there. Okay, well, since we're not, there is a way out of here that will take you out, removing from here first before you go ahead and remove programs. Before you leave, you see this one here, system recovery? Machines that you buy today most likely will not come with any CDs or recovery CDs. You have to pay extra through Dell. HPs do not, and they tell you, you got to make it. And that's right there, it says PC recovery disk created. That's going to burn the CD, the recovery CD. So make sure. And you better find out before you when you take the machine home, find out what it use. If it's a DVD drive, you're going to need DVDs. Make sure you got the right format, because there's plus and minus. So that's another thing to be aware of. Okay. Okay. I want Jerry, see while I'm talking, if somewhere in here there's an end removed coming out of. No. I'm looking for one like maybe like subscribe to something where it says uninstall. Okay. I'm looking for where it says uninstall there. I just want to show it to you. Okay. Go ahead. Go.
Okay, I have a desktop. I'm on wireless. If I disconnect the telephone and during a storm, and after the storm's over, when I plug the telephone in, is everything going to reset itself with the...
If you shut down the machine, plug it in, yes, it will go back up. You're shutting everything down.
Yeah, but that little box, it's got all the green lights.
Yeah, it's the DSL,
Yeah.
and if you shut it off,
Yeah.
once you plug it back in, you plug that in first, you start your machine up, it will make the...
Okay, good.
Thing there.
Okay, thank you.
All the icons, when you save them into the folder, you leave them there indefinitely on the desktop folder?
Yeah, unless you're going to get rid of the program.
Program? Okay.
Like I'm going to get rid of Norton between now and then.
Then you get rid of that.
It should go out, and if it doesn't go out, you just say delete and send it to the recycle, but then delete it that way. Okay. Okay, Netscape has it uninstalled. Go there first before you do add remove.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because there may be something set up in there that will allow it to take it out better than add remove. But it doesn't guarantee. And by the way, just for your own information, on new computers, you see it here, like that, Norton, McAfee, and all, go back to the desktop for a second, Joe.